This is the moment that Alan has been waiting for years.
For years.
Well, and then for just actually moments now. He's wondering, is that top stuck on my body permanently?
Yeah. And this is we don't know either. So
No, I made you wait. You wanted to rush over
I
to
wanted
this
to
morning.
come over first
I
thing
said, no,
again.
we're going to both find out at the same time.
yes. So I've been waiting
Where'd Dave go?
patiently.
He was standing right here.
Oh, I made him mad when I told him he couldn't
Send him away.
talk.
Well, let's get him because two people will take this off.
Okay.
All right, we're just going to try to get it off. We don't need a horse. We just need to get it off. Nope.
We're gonna set her on the ground.
It's going to go right to the body shop.
Go right to the body shop.
Well, actually, it's going to go right to the floor here. And then if it works, we're going to bond the piece of wood in here. So
Yeah.
if you lift
Ow.
it, be careful as we lift it.
Okay.
We'll peel that plastic off, Gibby, so we don't grab nothing.
As the tension
Yeah.
mounts. All right, now wiggle her off.
Boom.
Come on, right there. Right here, from the front, go back.
There you go, it's coming.
Okay.
Oh man, you peeled the paint.
Get your, there you go. Okay.
Oh, you
go right
didn't
upside
peel
down.
the paint. I seen all the yellow. I guess we're good.
He's at body shop, come on.
No, he said
Well,
right
leave it
now.
here
Okay.
for right now.
Alright.
That's all sanded. So it's off. Beautiful. We can cut this around, make it pretty.
Right.
Make it kind of pretty there. Let's get that. We've got the top fitting on there.
Yeah.
And we need to kind of put the V in here to make that work.
Right.
But I think we can do that after. I think we'll peel this
Retape that.
and retape it.
Yeah.
But before we do that, let's get this bonded in
Okay.
and all this sanded down.
Okay.
So the top's off. We have a flange and we have a shape. I'm liking it.
Yeah.
Looks
The
awesome.
shape come out nice.
So the car, formerly known as Tweety, now my
Dream Tea.
my dream tea, is about ready to have a top. All right, getting her done. I'm gonna work on the top a little bit. Gibby's working on the mean green machine, getting those running boards. We got the running boards, fenders, fender running board, fender all in one piece. And we've got, is that Wilson over there? That's not Wilson, that's Chris. It's Chris standing on a body. All right. All right, so we're cutting. We cut it. Kind of see the round. So that's the part we cut off. How close is it to this side? Pretty good.
Yeah.
We're going to use what we cut off the other side to mark this side, and hopefully
yeah.
they're going to be both in the same neighborhood.
Yeah.
And we'll give it to Eddie and say, hey, Eddie, straighten that out.
Well, it's like my dad always says, you can only look at one side at a time.
There you go.
Thundering.
These two guys trying to upstage each other on some like home video on my phone. Give me. Okay, here we go. Oh, by the way, all the tape came off. The glue was a little bit soft in a couple areas, which wasn't bad, really. And that's because the resin went through. But
Oh, man. You're
Nothing-
way a little bit tapered.
oh man,
I'm on my edge over here. You can come back a hair.
Yeah. You got to go back just a hair.
I'm coming off my edge.
Yeah, it's got a little rolled lip on it. Feel
Oh,
it?
okay.
Go back. There you Oh, now you're getting it.
All right, now it's overlapped over here, though. Is that the way you want her?
well, I
It's
sand
just
some out
roughed
off.
in. We got it sanded.
Yeah, I just
first.
roughed
It's
it in.
close. I don't want to go no more.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's good. I like that.
Curve looks good.
Oh, yeah. How the curve? I got to stand back and look at that.
Oh, no, that's got to come this way, Gibby. You're over my way too far.
Okay.
Look at the lip, how it's overhanging. About right there. Does that look better? I'm right on the edge now.
Need a bigger hammer.
Right there. Right in there.
Okay.
We're close.
Still overhanging a little bit.
So we need to
Dial that in.
I need to grind this down a little bit more. I want that to fit down into that. So we can mark that with a pencil.
Okay.
And then we'll grind that so that that top
Give me a
fits
pencil, Gibby.
where it
Got one of
belongs. And we'll be good. Okay, so we have a little bit of an issue. The glass is above
Oh, yeah.
the board, just barely. We've got that cut at an angle, but I think we can do here on both sides. Once we get this glued on, We'll use the board to pull it across the top so it's flat.
Uh-huh.
If we get some rubber stops
Oh.
and then raise this up with some more rubber stops,
Yeah.
and then that'll raise it up off of this. It needs to go up
Yeah, I agree.
1/4 inch.
Yeah.
But right now we can glue it on.
Them little cane stops.
Yep.
Just slit it.
Yep.
Yeah. Plus then it won't be
It won't be wood on
beating
wood.
on
It'll
your
be rubber
chrome
on there.
and
And,
stuff like that. I love that idea.
so I
Well,
think
that's
that'll
why
work.
you're the boss. I mean, that's,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
you think of all that stuff.
Before we break the glass. It's worse when you think about it after you break the glass.
Yeah.
All right, so I think we can make that work.
Yeah.
All right. Polybond?
Polybond, I'm on it.
All right, got it all cleaned up here so we can't get stuff all over everything. You gonna fill the gap up full of polybond there?
No.
No? Okay.
No, we don't want to fill the gap with polybond.
Make sure you put enough on there. Just on the edge and it'll squish in. Go like this.
Ooh, that's a bunch.
Maybe it'll squish in on the edge here. You don't trust me?
I just seen a piece hanging. I trust you.
It's hanging. Okay, you got enough to do the back like that?
Yeah. Yeah, there's be plenty here.
Okay. To build that up on that edge, like that, yeah. Yeah. And we'll kind of smash it in and let it kick overnight. Clamp it down. All right, what do you think? Do you like it?
I think I like it, Bob. Look at here. That really come out nice, I think.
Yeah, that'll work up there.
What do you think?
We're gonna have to cut that wood down a little bit and grind it right in that area, which would be
Yeah,
fine.
yeah, but we could do that one after it's
Oh yeah.
poly bonded on and stuff.
But it's straight across there. But if you put a straight edge across that, it's gonna be pretty straight.
Oh,
It was kind of like the back. It was humped in like that a little bit,
and something like
that. There you
right
go.
here.
How'd that look?
Oh, it looks good. It's got just a touch, but that's good.
Up is good. Down is
yeah,
bad.
yeah. I mean,
That's
yeah.
pretty good.
Yeah, I mean, it's just, and I bet I could go like that.
Yep. All right.
Oh, now look at it.
Is it straight? Right on.
It's right on the money now.
And I like our cut. Our cut looks good.
You like that?
And actually, if I look straight across, they match.
Yeah.
Yep. I like this little bit of gap, you know, the seam in here, like that. I like that. So now what?
Let her sit. Don't mess. No mas.
Bumper. Bumper?
My front bumper?
Bumper.
I can do that?
Yeah.
Ha ha. Yeah, buddy.
I see you got the angle finder. I think you have a plan.
Yeah.
The angle of the dangle is always important.
I just got to know how far out we want to go. Do we want to leave the nose stick out just a little bit past? Don't
Yeah,
we? Do we want
otherwise-
to kind of keep even with the grill face, maybe?
Yeah.
You know, because what I'm going to do is, here's what it's going to look like. This is going to bend straight up. That'll bend straight down. It's going to be a piece
Okay.
like that.
Yep. And then the middle angle is going to be the same angle
The
as that.
center angle is going to be exactly the same as that grill, and then I'll level out the top tip and level out the bottom tail. Tip and tail.
Tip and tail.
Yeah.
All right.
But here's my only question. You think I should come off the lower control arm for my bottom?
No.
You know, for no, not off of it, but for a height?
Oh. Make it long and cut it down. No, like it.
Okay. Because
I mean, you got plenty of rod there.
Yeah.
Get
yes, I
the
do.
center, whatever you want,
Okay.
and then you can always trim the top and bottom, the tip and tail.
Tip and tail.
And I think we definitely need to go onto the frame rail, not to the side of it.
No, inside here.
Yeah.
But here's the thing. I'm going to have to come out. I'm going to make a piece that bolts in here, both sides, that sticks out roughly an inch.
Okay.
Then I'm going to come off of it about 4 inches.
Okay.
You think? With this being level.
Yeah,
Here.
that'll bring you out about.
Here. See the 4?
Yeah. Yeah, that should look good. That should look
Right? Keep this level.
good. Mm-hmm.
You know, where it ain't up, it ain't down.
Yep.
Just level off of that about 4 inches. You know, be angled here.
And that'll keep you pretty close to the grill.
Yeah, yeah.
So as you're coming across.
Yeah,
you'll
what do
be
you
right-
think? You like that?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so I need to make 2 pieces, 7 inches, and 2 pieces, 4 inches.
Okay. So you've got 2 minutes and 18 seconds worth of thought into this one.
Well, you just, I
No,
mean,
that's good.
it
And
takes thought.
we've actually thought about it before this moment.
Yes, yes,
Barely.
yes.
I bought the steel. We thought about doing that.
Yeah, here's what it's gonna be, so check this out. See, the grill is square.
Uh-huh. It looks
So-
cool.
They had sent. So anyways, we got some wrought iron
Uh-huh.
like they do fancy decks and whatever else, the decorative stuff. So it's gonna be square.
Just be glad I'm not asking you to put it in a tube and twist it. Heat it up and twist it.
Oh yeah.
No.
Yeah.
That would be sort of cool.
It would be sort of cool. No, it won't match the car.
It won't match the car.
It won't match the style. This is a Pro Street style.
Years and years ago,
Yeah.
built a sissy bar for a bike.
Oh yeah.
It created a long tube like that, stuck it in a, square stock.
Yeah.
Heated it up and put it in a tube and just twisted it and twisted it and twisted it until it had that twist, and then bent it the shape of the sissy bar.
Yeah, I've seen that on bikes. Yeah, they come up off the
Yeah.
back and then they go together and
Yeah.
meet at the top somewhere.
Yeah, a long time
Cool.
ago.
All right.
Back in the day when you didn't ask people that had motorcycle Harleys where their money came from.
Yeah.
Yeah. There he is, Phantom Pete, blocking away.
Yeah, looking good.
Looking good. Looking for Wilson. You seen Wilson?
Well, Wilson's hard to see.
He is hard to see. I
Yes.
see Chris over here.
I don't know how you can ever see Wilson.
Wilson's, yeah.
We got a new Wilson.
So you're blocking away.
Yeah, we're getting very, very close.
Very, very close.
If I get some primer on here today, it'd be very nice.
All
I
right.
can't let Chris outdo me. He got his stuff in primer today.
You got your stuff in primer.
Yeah.
And then you were working on Mike's running boards. Them running boards ready for primer?
Lime,
They're
time.
primed.
Oh, they're primed. The short ones are. So what are you gonna do with the long ones?
The short ones.
The depth that goes in the middle for the Bayou.
Oh.
That's what he does.
Did you prime them
He
with white
primed the
primer?
Bayou.
Well, we're gonna go look at those. So blocking, and then prime.
Next video of this will be primer.
All right. I'm gonna go check out the running board. I like it, looking good. Gibby and I kind of stretched some yesterday. What we had to do is we widened the backside 2 inches to match the wider fenders.
Okay.
But they're looking good, blocked and primed. So we gotta block them one more time and paint them.
That's right.
So you're the running board guy. So I guess today's the working interview, right?
Right.
What do you think? You like it?
I like it. I'm interested.
You're full of dust. That's a good thing.
Yep.
Got some stuff done. Got this one ready to deliver. It's just a body to go. You started working on the mean green machine. So we got these running boards
Okay.
and the running boards there,
Yeah, we'll get those knocked out tomorrow.
and get them knocked out tomorrow. We'll get them turning green. So cool. This one's ready to ship. We got a turtle deck ready to ship, and we will see you in the morning then. So I think it's a good day. All right, I left you alone for a couple of minutes. You got a plan there
Yeah, I think we do.
coming off?
I gotta just
How
kind
thick,
of
how thick are those?
quarter.
Quarter? Are that quarter?
Yep.
I don't have my glasses on. I can't see.
Yeah, quarter. I mean, we had some 3/8, but I didn't get
All right. So that looks parallel to the ground.
Yeah, it should be. Here. Look at that.
Right there?
Yep.
Right there.
Yep. Ow! We're at.
All right, so I left him alone for a little while. I'm gone, what, a half hour maybe?
If that, yeah.
Yeah. I've never seen anything like it before. And I'm not saying that in a bad way.
Oh, okay.
But
But-
the thing is, it matches
The grill.
the grill and all that. Let's go see what it looks like on the grill.
Okay.
I don't know, what do you think? That's, I like it. But it really doesn't matter what we like.
It doesn't matter. And I don't want to make two of them until maybe we should talk to
Yeah,
Eredacator.
Joe,
Mask.
Joe,
So let's ask him what he thinks.
you got that? We got to keep it crisp. The second line is going to be in there. It's got to stay crisp.
What line? This line?
Well, along the edge of it.
Oh, here.
No, right here.
Oh, I'm off a little bit. Oh,
No,
okay.
but if you weld along that,
No, I'm not welding that.
okay,
That's just going to be freestanding. I'm putting no weld whatsoever in
and
there.
clean it on the top and the bottom.
Yeah, this will be clean, tapered off. You know,
Yep.
I'll put a little bit more weld. I'll angle that.
Yep.
But no, I'm not putting any welds down the side.
Okay. All right. So hopefully Joe watches this video. We
Yeah.
can talk to him tomorrow.
Yes.
So you're going to clean this, weld that up to there.
Right. I'm just going to weld this,
Maybe round it into that.
round it into this.
Tighten it.
We're not going to do any welds down the side. I don't want a lump here. I don't want nothing there. I just wanted a nice sharp
Right.
edges in here. I mean, it's hard. That's hard and stuff. But I like the sharp edge look here.
Yeah, I do like the sharp edge look. I like the, it matches what's going on with the grill.
Yeah.
And
Unless
then it'll get you that same kind of shimmer.
prism
going on.
shimmer on here and here.
Yeah.
I'm thinking once it's chrome.
Do we really want that chrome even?
I don't know.
Well, look at the way the arm comes out there.
Yeah.
That would match better black, maybe.
I don't know, Dave. Bob.
Well, it's Joe's call.
Yeah, let Joe call that. I'm not gonna go any further.
Right.
I mean, I've got my bracket made for the other side,
Uh-huh.
which is a mirror image of this, but let's.
It definitely adds to the front. Getting the line down right.
Yes, what do you think? Looking pretty good, huh?
Looks pretty good.
Yes.
We still looking at primer tonight?
Nah, it don't look like unless you want to stay late. Not, you know, we got a little brick at your house, load up wood, so we'll stay at 5:30 or so.
Okay, well, I need to go to the other building
Okay.
and call Mike.
All right.
Not sure what we're,
Where are you gonna call him?
I'm gonna call, hey, Mike. What's up? What's up? We're still working on it.
Tom, we're getting her done. We're giving her hell, and I have it all roughed in today, though, and it'll be
Thank you.
150 in primer in the morning. It's very, very, very close.
And we can pull the rest of it apart.
I don't see why not.
I got another question for you too.
Yeah.
On this front end thing. It just popped into my head.
We'll spit it out. Let's hear it.